it's TeriGigi. I feel super awkward. I haven't done a video in a long time, especially impromptu, and this is totally impromptu. I'm driving to the beach house, the Mermaid Cottage, from Tampa. We just had a beautiful, lovely visit with Miss Lorelei, our new granddaughter, and that was really, really fun. And I hadn't seen her since she was born. She's 2 months old. We're going to see her again at Thanksgiving and again at Christmas. So we're going to get to see her quite a bit, and then I'm going to try to be on an every other month visit track. Either they come to us or we go to them. So it was really, really fun. I'm by myself. I'm in my little car. Update. This video is just going to be a quick update and just let you know what's been going on, because I've had a lot of questions of where I am and why I haven't been videoing. I'm not exactly sure when I started feeling this way, but I started feeling over the summer that YouTube was passing me by. I felt like I wasn't sure if I had anything left to contribute. I feel like the platform has changed a lot since I started so many years ago, and I just didn't know if I really had a message to share anymore, because I didn't want to make videos just for the sake of making videos. I hope this isn't super shaky. I didn't want to make videos just for the sake of making videos. So I just quit. I just stopped making videos. It wasn't even a conscious decision. It was just, I was super busy with friends and family, visiting. We had a lot of company over the summer. And then a lot of people were asking me. So that's what this is an update. So that was kind of where I've been. I've just been rethinking it. And I've decided that I'm going to make some videos. I have a few things I want to share. And then I'll make a decision after the first of the year of what I'm going to do. As far as YouTube goes, what's been going on? Just a lot of fun, a lot of, well, no relaxation. I don't know, I was going to say a lot of relaxing. No relaxation. I'm still traveling a lot. Scott has been working in Philadelphia, sort of, for the past 2 months. He's gone all the time now. He still has his it's the same company and everything. He still has his regular job in Alabama, but he's been working in Philadelphia, or actually in New Jersey for a while. And while I was in New Jersey, I did a trip. I went to Philadelphia, saw the Philadelphia thing, went to New York City, and then I met up with Nettie Ward. Y'all, she is so much prettier and sweeter, and if possible, than she comes across online. I mean, she is the real deal. I really had such a great time. And she drove all the way to my hotel and picked me up, and we went and spent the day in Philadelphia, and we had so much fun, and we had a most beautiful lunch in this beautiful restaurant. And then her husband drove all the way out to the hotel area and met her and I, and then Scott, and we had dinner. I think we were in Applebee's. Oh my gosh, we laughed the whole dinner. It was such a great time. I wish we lived closer. Her and I would hang out. The four of us would hang out, because her husband is an absolute riot and so cute and handsome, and we just had a good time. So that was a big trip I did, and I got to see one of my online friends that's a real friend now, Fancy. They met us in New York City, and it was just a blast. It was a great weekend. I vlogged it, and I hope to cobble it together into some sort of fun video for y'all. Here's the other thing that I've been doing, okay, subject to YouTube, is I have been just living my life without my camera in my brain. Because when you are a YouTuber or a person that Instagrams all the time, you do have the camera in the back of your mind all the time. And so I had my camera like on me in almost the whole summer. And so when I was in New York, I kept pulling my camera out, and it took away from my trip. It took away from it. You know, Fancy and Scott and Danny didn't want to be in my videos, and so I would have to pull my camera out on the sly, and it was just awkward, and I hated it. And then when it really hit me was when I was on the Staten Island ferry, and I was looking realized that I saw the Statue of Liberty through my camera lens. And I took my camera down and I just looked at Scott. All of a sudden, and I said, I missed it. He goes, what do you mean? I said, I missed it. I missed the Statue of Liberty. And he goes, no, you didn't. And I said, yeah, I did. I saw it through a camera lens. And it is not the same. So I really, really have been thinking about that as far as vlogging. You know, I don't know. I don't know the answer to all that. But, okay, so moving forward. Did that whole trip, had so much fun. I spent a day alone in Philadelphia, and then I spent a day with Nettie, and in between I spent 2 days in New York City, and it was a great trip. So that's been nice about Scott traveling, but he's almost through with that. He's only going to be there 3 more weeks, I think, and then we'll be back to going back and forth between the apartment and the cottage. And what's funny, y'all, last month we spent one night in the apartment, and I said that was an expensive night. And do you want to know why we went? To check the mail, to get our mail. Oh, my life is... Okay, so I was saying that, or I'm going to tell you now because I was interrupted with a phone call. My mom, my dad, my brother, my sister-in-law, and my son all came to visit last weekish. We had the best time. Oh my gosh, we took the boat out 2 days. We went to the beach and had beignets early one morning. It was just the most amazing visit. I mean, we really, really had a good time. The house, I'd never had that many people in the house. We had 7 total. It lived really, really well. We never felt like we were on top of each other. It really worked out. It really worked out. I mean, I was shocked. The house lives larger than it actually is. I will tell you this, and I'm throwing this out there just to make myself do it. Because if I tell you I'm going to do something, I'll almost die trying to do it. Unless I forget, which I forget a lot of times when I say, I'll show you that in another video. I do forget. So, call me out. If there's something I said I would show you or do, call me out on it and I'll fix that. Okay. I have decided, you know, I published my first book last February, Valentine's Day. And before I published that one, I had my other book half finished. And I've committed to myself to finish that book. I will not be publishing it exactly a year later, but it will be published probably spring break-ish, I'm hoping. And I'm going to try to do more promotion. One problem is self-promotion is really hard for me. I feel so awkward. But I do believe this one will be easier to self-promote, and I can write just such a great author biography, better than I did before, because now I can tie the beach book to the mermaid cottage. And you know, sometimes you can make an author sound really, you know, y'all will be able to say, oh, she's just normal. Of course I am, but just tie it all together. That I finished the book in the mermaid cottage, you know, near the beach, and yada, yada, yada. So I feel more a part of this book because I feel more a part of the characters, because the other one was historical fiction. So this one is easier to put myself in people's minds and places than it was to go back in the 1700s, you know. Anyway, I've decided I was not going to do it. My book did not become a bestseller. Shocker! But I decided, you know, I want to see this through. I want to do a second book and see if this is something I want to maybe write 1 book a year and just see what happens with it. So we'll see. So that's an update there. So if you want to buy a Christmas present for someone, a book about Marie Antoinette would be a very nice, cozy, wintry book for them to read, because it does take place in the winter. So there's my self-promotion. And if I can figure out how to shrink the PDF or the whatever that's called of a photo of my book so it'll fit on the back end page of my video. Y'all, there's just such dumb stuff that I hate to sound lame, but I feel like I'm part lame. Not by leg, but by thought, by information, by figuring things out. Everybody makes it seem easy, and I know it's not. And I have plenty of time now. My house is kind of at a point. Was I just talking about my house earlier, about my bedroom? I'll talk about that and give you a video about the bedroom, what I've done, the new bedroom that I created out of nothing. And yeah, those are videos to come. So that'll be the mermaid updates that you'll see. So basically that's my update. Okay, a lot of people have asked about, did I go to Paris and do the trip? No, I did not. We did not get enough people to make the trip worthwhile. Will I revisit this in the future? Maybe. I don't know. So there's that. I was disappointed, but I was also a little bit relieved. I was really nervous about it. But it would have been a beautiful trip for people. It really would have, but we didn't get enough people. So there's that. And that's fine. You know, God's in control. I believe that about everything, even the crazy. There's another thing that might be on the horizon that would make fantastic videos. So we'll see about that too. No, I'm not starting my own business like everybody is. I mean, wow. People are go-getters. I don't know if I'm too old or too lame to do it. So it's just going to be me talking about stuff, and that's one of my other problems. I don't know if you call it a problem, but I feel like I still struggle with not having a specific genre for my videos. And I do feel like I'm going to totally lean towards home decor and decorating on a budget. That's what I've been doing, and I can't wait to share it with y'all. The few things that I've done have had a real big impact on the house and just made it seem more me, more my style. And what was interesting is my brother and everybody walked in and they were like, wow, this is not what we expected. This is so much nicer inside than we expected, the mermaid cottage. So that was a good compliment. So that's it for my update. I'll be back next week with another video, maybe sooner. I'm not making any promises of a time schedule, but I am planning to be back to YouTube through December and then kind of decide in January what I want to do with my channel. Any ideas, any thoughts, leave it in the comments. If you're glad I'm back, leave it in the comments. Give me some encouragement and let me know that you are out there and you are listening. And one thing that I'm definitely going to do is I do want to do more heart and soul videos. That would be my other passion, is heart and soul and home decor. Because I believe your home can make or break your peace, your joy, your everything. Your home is huge, and a peaceful home goes a long way in a very chaotic world that we find ourselves in right now. If your home is your haven, wow, that's everything. So that's pretty obvious, but I don't think everybody understands that a clean home is also a haven, and an organized home is also. Okay, I just got home from my long drive from Florida, and I thought I would do a quick haul. I went to IKEA, Trader Joe's, and Home Goods, and I thought I'd show you what I got. First, because you know when I'm in civilization, I have to take advantage. IKEA, just grabbed the new catalog. I got this really cute white garbage can for my guest bathroom. I don't like open garbage cans. They gross me out. So I have this little step stool one. It's cute. These are my dishes. I got a few more bowls and a few more of the little plates that I use. They're open stock, so I got a bunch more. I got 12 more of these little baby spoons that I am in love with. They're so cute, and we use them constantly. And you know how spoons disappear. So I got 2 boxes of 6. I always pick up some sort of napkins from IKEA. I love them. They're white. They're great. They're wonderful. And I picked up these magnets to go on my fridge so that I have a few things on the side and I don't have any magnets, and I thought the white ones looked good. At Home Goods, I grabbed these little serving dishes. This is one thing I feel like I don't have enough of here at the beach house. This one was $6.99. It's really nice. This one was $3.99. I don't remember. Yeah, $3.99. So cute and beachy. And then this one was $5.99. This one I just picture macaroni and cheese or something really yummy. Then I got this sugar thing. We hardly ever use regular sugar in the house, but I hate getting out the 5-pound bag of sugar when we need just a little bit on something. So I got this little sugar shaker thingy. I thought that was cute. And then it's the high of 70 today, and luckily I picked up a little inexpensive blanket just to have out on the porch over there when we are cold. We have a couple more blankets, but I wanted just a really simple blue one. Okay, also at IKEA, I got the gluten-free pumpkin pancake mix, not IKEA, Trader Joe's pancake mix, the peanut butter cups, 2 boxes of them because they're my favorite. And then I got this pitcher. I wanted an up and down pitcher that would fit in the door of the fridge for iced tea and things like that. And then I had to redo this because I showed my address on these 2 packages. These are from subscribers, so I thought they were on my front porch when I got home, so I thought I would show them to you right now. Hold on and I'll open this one. I pulled out of the package. I wish you would have heard my reaction. I went, oh, look at this book, The Magical History of Mermaids. I cannot wait, and there's a sweet inscription. I cannot wait to dive into this and see what we have. Wow, this is awesome. This is perfect for my mermaid bedroom. Oh, beautiful. My granddaughter Layla will love this. Wow. Ooh, cool. Oh, that is so sweet. Thank you, Diane. This is amazing. I love it. Now, this one I haven't dug into. I've just unboxed it. I mean, just opened it. Let's see. This is from Jeannie. I don't have any idea what this is, and I've got to be careful. Oh my gosh, an outdoor candle. Oh, that's huge. I love it. Look how big it is, y'all. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's so awesome. Oh, I will get so much use out of that. And it repels mosquitoes. Oh my gosh, my husband gets bit like crazy. He's gonna love that. Oh, she sent me some. Oh, look, she does monogramming. She monogrammed these. Oh my gosh, she monogrammed the. Oh, these are so sweet. These are dish towels. She monogrammed them. Oh, this is so sweet. She is so talented, y'all. And she just does it to be nice to people. I don't think she has a business. I told her she should. And then let's see, there's a card. So I am, let's see, yeah, oh, there's 2 cards. So I will be opening these and reading them. Thank you, Diane and Jeannie, for these beautiful gifts. I will just treasure them as I use them in my new mermaid kitchen, mermaid cottage. Oh, I just love the colors too. Perfect. Oh gosh. Thank y'all. Okay, hope y'all enjoyed this impromptu haul and unboxing of sweet little gifts from my sweet subscribers. Thank y'all.